is Awa. Every summer, I get to visit my grandfather on his farm. I always love to visit my grandfather because there is so much to do and see on the farm. That is grandfather standing on the porch. He raises cattle. You can see some of them back near the barn. And there is a field on the side of the house where he grows crops. Grandfather grows many different types of crops. He varies the crops that he grows from year to year. I wonder what crop he's growing this year. There was one summer where I had the greatest adventure, and I must tell you all about it. Grandfather was in trouble with his crops. They seemed to be withering away. I had a theory as to why the crops were not doing well, so I used chemistry to help prove my hypothesis about the crops. Grandfather was so happy because the crops started growing big and healthy, and that was the summer that I saved grandfather's crops. So today, I'm here to tell you about the case of the withering crops. Let's go back to that warm summer day. Grandfather, how are you? I missed you so much.
Awa, it is so good to see you too. I always enjoy when you come to visit. You always brighten up the farm, and you are such a big help with all the chores. Are you ready to milk some cows? And I need help with the crops. Harvest time is approaching quickly, and I'll need your help harvesting.
Okay. Can we go take a look at the cows? It's always fun seeing them.
Sure, let's take a look at the cows.
Grandfather, I always love looking at the cows. They're so funny.
Yes, they are, but they are a lot of work. Remember, they are how I make my living, that and the crops that I grow.
By the way, Grandfather, what crops are you growing this year?
This year, I decided to grow corn.
Corn? I love corn. Are we going to have corn for dinner?
Well, I'm afraid that the corn isn't growing as expected. Look at the field over there. The corn just isn't growing like it should. It's like it's just withering away.
I can't really see from here.
Well, come on and let's take a closer look. You see, only a few corn stalks are growing like they should. The rest of them are just withering away.
I see what you mean, Grandfather.
I should have planted yams like I did last year. I don't know much about growing corn.
I wonder.
What are you wondering, Awa?
I was reading a book about the conditions needed to grow certain crops. I have a theory about why the corn is withering and not growing, but I will need to do some tests.
Tests? What kind of tests?
The kind of test that uses chemistry.
Chemistry?
Yes, Grandfather, chemistry. And I have the perfect group to help me test my hypothesis.
And what group is that?
The kids for chemistry, Grandfather. The kids for chemistry.